In this video, I'm gonna give you step-by-step instruction on how you can become an influencer too. Hey guys, it's Brandon from Influencer Pro, and on this channel, I teach beginners how to become influencers and how to start making money on social media. In this video, I wanted to tell you guys a little secret on how I made the easiest $6,000 using social media. But first, I wanted to go through my step-by-step guide on what you're gonna need to start your influencer journey. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to pick a niche. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you already have an idea of what niche you wanna make your content in. But if you're unfamiliar with what a niche is that area of expertise that you wanna start creating content around. For example, I'm an influencer in the golf niche. So I make golf specific content and my audience are all golfers. So if you know nothing about golf, you're not interested in golf, that's no problem because all of the techniques that I'm going to teach you are relevant to every niche. What I want you to start thinking about is that niche that you're gonna start making content for. So when we're picking our niche, you may consider niching down. And niching down is, for example, I'm in the golf niche. There's so many different types of content I can make for golf, but some of my most successful content are for beginner golfers. Those people that are brand new to golf will find that video and then they'll start to see my other content. You might be a little curious as to why I would be qualified to give you influencer tips. The channels that I make content right now have combined between Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, about 70,000 followers. I do anywhere from 1 to 5 million views per month, and I've done deals with companies amassing to thousands and thousands of dollars. So everything I'm gonna teach you is from experience, and had I known what I know now, I could have done my journey in a lot less time. Once we've picked our niche, the next step is to start making content. And this is sometimes the most intimidating part because we see videos all the time with high production value and a lot of cameras and lights and audio. I'm gonna teach all of this stuff on our journey, but to just get a sense of creating content, you can make all of your content with your cell phone. When you pick your niche, you're ready to start making content, and we have to pick the platform that we're gonna be sharing our content to. The platforms that I'm most proficient in and see the most value are YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The one that I would start with is the one that you currently use the most. Throughout the other videos on my channel, I will do a deep dive into Instagram, YouTube, TikTok specific videos. A very common misconception is that I wanna start sharing my new content everywhere. I wanna blast it across all the different social media channels, and I'm going to advise against this. Sometimes when we try to focus on everything, we don't focus on anything. As we become familiar with one, we can start sharing that same content across multiple platforms, but to start your journey, let's just pick one social media platform. I'm gonna tell you right now the absolute hardest hurdle to overcome on your influencer journey, and that is getting started. If the actual content creation is the thing that you're dreading the most, or that you find you have the least skill set for, subscribe to my channel because I'll make individual videos breaking down how to edit content for each one of these platforms. Okay, you've picked your niche and you've decided where you're gonna start sharing the content. Now we have to start building your brand. The first thing to consider is, what are you going to call your brand? Some suggestions that I have are, you could just call it your full name, John Smith. No problem. Tons and tons of influencers do that. You can put a unique niche spin on it. You could do something like John's Workouts or Karen's Cookies or something. I highly recommend that you do niche specific words to building your content. That way the algorithm can start showing your content to people that are interested in your niche. A great exercise for you to start doing after you watch this video is go on the platform you want to make content for and start looking up usernames. Something I want you to do today is to lock down that username. Once you have that username, we can start building a strategy on how to make that content, but these usernames won't stay forever. As unique as you think your name or your idea is, chances are someone has a similar idea and they might scoop up that username. So today, lock down a username. My absolute favorite part of being an influencer are the brand deals. This is where the money starts to come in. In simple terms, companies will pay us as influencers to advertise their products or services on our page. I told you I was gonna tell you about the easiest $6,000 I made as an influencer. So a strategy I'm gonna dive into a later series is making review videos. I bought a lot of products that were golf specific and I started to review them on my own dime. A company reached out to me that made a product that I was already reviewing. They gave me the product for free. I made a video, I put it up on YouTube. I was not only making money off of the YouTube ad revenue, but I was also making money from affiliate sales. So this is very, very, very common now as an influencer. I make a review video for this company. I then put my own personal link in the description of this video. So anyone that wants to buy that product clicks the link. If they buy it, I get a commission from that product. Since I've made this video, it's only been up for 1 year. I've made $6,000 doing virtually nothing. I get email notifications every day that somebody bought this product, another person bought this product. People all over the world are buying that product, all because I made a review video a year ago. So chances are, a year from now, I'll still be making a commission off of that last product. I'm gonna dive into this in future videos, but first we need to start building your following. And in this next video, I'm gonna teach you how to build a following.